Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video that is Accenture on-campus placement coding questions which is for 4.5 to 6.5 LPA. In my previous video I have given a detailed explanation on cognitive and technical round followed by coding round. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch the video and then come to this video so that you can get a clear idea on the Accenture placement pattern and the type of questions which are asking. Okay, now let us directly jump into the question which is asked. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video and like the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, the question asked is frequency of second highest element in the array. This is the question which is faced by one of my friend. She faced this question. It might be simple for you, but while facing the exam it might be the difficult question, so practice well before attempting the Accenture questions. Okay, here is the question. Write a program to find the frequency of second highest number. The array may contain duplicate elements and your program should determine the second highest number and count how many times it appears in the array. Right? Let us find out what is the second highest element in the array, as well as let us find out the frequency of the element. That means how many times it has repeated in the array. Let us see the logic followed by the coding. Okay. Here is the logic before you. Let me explain and then I will run a coding. I will run a code so that you can get a clear idea. Okay, our task is to find the second highest element in the array and find its frequency and return its frequency. You have to return the frequency of second highest element. Okay, for that the steps are here. See here, let us select the pencil. Right, okay, I have taken the pencil. Okay, see, look at here, this is the given array for you. They have told you that find the second highest element, and the array contains the duplicate elements as well, and find its frequency. Okay, everything is fine. You are given with an array which consists of duplicate elements. Now your task is to find the second element and its frequency and return its frequency. Okay, my first step is to sort the array. Okay, I am sorting the array. See here, sort the array. Then I have sorted. Then what is the thing you can find? The last element will be the first highest element. Okay, see, the last element, what will be the last element? It is the highest element in the array, right? Whether it has duplicates or not, but it is the highest element. The preceding elements will be less than it or equal to it, right? But the last element in the array after sorting will be the highest element, and remaining will be lesser than it or equal to it. Okay, now run a for loop to find the second max element, and after finding the second max element run another loop to find its frequency. That is the logic I have used. If you want to use another logic, it is your wish. Okay, now let us see the logic. Okay, let us see the logic. This is the code. I hope you can see it. First, what I am doing, I am importing the arrays. Okay, now I am starting from public class main, public static void main string args. This is where the program starts from. Okay, the input given to is the array. Okay, this is the array you are given with. First, what I am doing, I am sorting the array. See here. See, first sort the array. This is the logic I have preferred. It is your wish. You can prefer another logic. But the question asked is that to find the frequency of second highest element. Okay, I am sorting the array. Now, the highest element, what will be the highest element? Where will be the highest element? It will be here. Okay, array length minus 1. This is the position, because here the indexing starts from 0 0 1 2, in that way it starts. So its position is array length minus 1. Okay, now I have given that highest element position is array dot length minus 1. It is the position of highest element. Okay, I am giving the second highest element as minus 1. I don't know what is second highest element, so I am preferring it to be minus 1. After I once I find the second highest element, I will substitute, okay, in the minus 1 place. Okay, then what I asked you to do, to run a for loop. Okay, I'm running a for loop. See here, I'm running a for loop. From where I'm starting from backwards, because I have know the position of highest element. Then second highest element will be from here. Here highest element has duplicate elements. If it doesn't have duplicate elements, fourth this position will be here, right? So I'm starting from here. I'm leaving this because this is the highest element position. Second highest element position starts from here, but it is not the second highest element, but its position starts from here. So I'm running for loop from here. Okay, see here, have a keen observation on that. See, I hope you can see it. For int I is equals to array dot length, that is array length minus 2. Why I am leaving the array length minus 1? Because it is the position of highest element. Okay, I am starting from here until where? Until the for loop reaches to 0, I am minusing. I minus. Okay, right. If array of I is less than the highest element, let me check. Okay, see, our for loop is here. Okay, array length minus 2 means this is the thing. Okay, now what I am checking, whether this element is less than the highest element 5. Okay, this element is 5. 5 less than 5, is 5 less than 5? No, no. Okay, so the condition fails. Array of I is less than highest if 5 is less than 5. No, so if condition is not satisfied, it won't go into the if loop. I minus, it will minus the element. Okay, it will minus the element. Now our I comes here. Okay, our I comes here. Now again it will check for the for loop. Array of I is less than highest or not? Array of I is what? 5. Highest is what? 5. 5 is less than 5? No. If condition fails, again for loop I minus. Again array of I is less than highest or what? 5 is less than 5? No, absolutely no. So if condition fails and for loop minus decrements. Okay, I minus. Now your I is over here. Here the role plays. Here 4 is less than 5 or not? Yes, it is right. Okay, array of I, see here, see the condition, array of I is less than highest. Yes, 4 is less than the highest. Now what I'm doing, second highest element is fed with minus 1, right? Now I'm substituting the array of I to the highest element. What is array of I? Array of I is 4. Okay, array of I is what? 4. Now highest element is 4. Immediately once I got the second highest element, what I am doing, I am not running the for loop, I am just breaking the loop. So I am out of the for loop. Okay, that is the use of break statement. So I got my second highest element, so I am happy I am getting out of the loop. Okay, now I have to, what I have to find? Now again you should run a for loop to find its frequency. Okay, till the game doesn't end. Okay, now the frequency is 0. I'm treating my frequency as 0. If once I find the frequency, I will substitute again. Okay, I'm running a for loop. You can initialize the for loop in both ways. Okay, you can initialize the for loop in this way, and you can also initialize in this way. So I have to let you know. No, so I implemented in two ways. Okay, for int num in the array, if num equals to the second highest element. See, num means the array index. Now array index is starting from here. This is the num index. If num equals to the second highest is what? 4. If the num equals to the 4, then frequency increments. In that way the count will be incremented. It runs entire the array and it will increment its count. See, if the second highest is not equals to the -1, then it will print what it will print. The second highest element is 4 and its frequency is what? How many times 4 has repeated? 1 2 3, 3 times. So your output must be 3, right? What is the frequency of 4? 3. Okay, if it equals to -1, there is no second highest element found. That is what you have to print it. I hope you got with the logic. Now let us see the code. Okay, right? I hope you got it. If you haven't get my logic, or if you couldn't understand what I have told you, please put it in the comment section so that I will improve myself to make you understand it in a better way. Okay, I will implement my logic. I will increase my practice to make you understand. Okay, now let us see the code for this question. Okay, here is the code you are going to see. See, I have given an array and I'm sorting the array. Okay, this is the given array and this is the sorting of array, and this function is to find the second highest element, to find the, this is for finding frequency, and if I find the second highest, then I am printing the second highest as well as the frequency. Let us run the program so that you can see. Okay, the second highest element is 4 and the frequency is 3, right? 3 times it has occurred. Now let us see, change the input pattern. I am changing the 5 to as 6. Now highest element is 6 and second highest element is 5, right? Now what is the second highest element in the array? 5 is the second highest element, right? Okay, now let us see the output. See, the second highest number is 5 and its frequency is 3. 3 times it has occurred. 1 2 3. Okay, in this way it occurs. Okay, finally, thank you. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like and share the video, please, so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you.